Cal 971 Heavy, thank you. Clear visual approach, runway 26 right.
Clear for the visual, 26 right. 907.
Clear visual.
Cal
Going
772,
in flight
traffic
stop.
to about 4 miles west on East Road, Road 47.
Flex 5.
I'll be going at 26 right. Good night, Delta 972. Got a 1732 approved direct number and descent maintain 6000. Delta 772, turn right heading 180. Right 180, Delta 772. Tower 971 heavy, contact tower 119.82. Have a good day. 119.82, full time 971. 82. 971, good day. That's 1982. 1982, full time 971, good day. Good. California 971 heavy on the visual 26 right. Cal 971 heavy, Houston Tower, wind 2405, runway 26 right, clear to land. 26 right, clear to land, 971. Clear to land.
Gear down. Flex 20.
Selected. Okay, 4948. Foxtrot Delta, November Echo, hold short of runway 26 left. Foxtrot Delta, November Echo, hold short.
Let's go. Please approach the visual for visual 1600. Straight on. Flex 30. Any checklist. Up. Down. 30. Okay, manual flight.
Cal 971, you parked East Cargo, correct? Go ahead.
$1,000.
Start it.
$500.
Clear 4948, cross runway 26 left at November Echo, join Whiskey Bravo, and then contact ramp. Good day. November, cross 26 left at November Echo, join Whiskey Bravo, and then over the ramp. 4948, good day.
Approaching minimums. Minimums. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Cal 971 Heavy, turn left on Fox Alpha, join Alpha.
Fox Delta, Fox Alpha, Fox 97.
Fox Delta, Fox Alpha.
C'est la raison.
Left.
Hotel Kilo, cross runway 26.